So guys, that's Tando Mashlega Day. Cutting onions to put in biltong. Singaiti. Oh, pepper.
Ngarangogadzira mutserendende munoziya
mutserendende ndovanzotambwa nevana zviya
nopedza mabhurugwa zviya
isu tisakaita mutserendende
ya
mombe
mombe
vakuru vaisaraita mutserendende mombe dzichidya mumunda
titabva ikona
hangoti makaita ichimutambo ngwanani itatozoti kuenda kumombe kana jana riri kwedu ondozoti nemukomana patakapedzera zvipakira zviri kutambira.
So this is the process of cooking biltong now. For those who don't know, here in the village we dry beef the same way you guys eat biltong, but for us here we do it since we do not have fridges. We do it so that our meat can stay long, and then after that we can cook it. You can cook it as a relish and serve it with either sadza, rice, manuchu, or anything that you want to serve it with. So if you are new to this channel, my name is V, and the one cooking there is Tando Mashlega, the village girl. Please guys, kindly go and subscribe to her YouTube channel as well. And yeah, is Mkoma Keda, that's my brother there guys. Please also go and subscribe to his YouTube channel. It's written Mkoma Keda. No, it's written Keda Power. It's written Keda Power.
So you just have to let them boil.
Okay.
Right?
So what about cooking oil, Tandy? Do we put cooking oil?
No, we don't.
Oh, there's no need.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Well, this is now cooking oil boy.
Oh, and also peanut butter is oil, and did it? Okay.
To red hair some.
Andipani vanonzi butter.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peanut butter.
Okay, I have to cook it my manch. So this is where we are now. I'm going to continue soon, while I'll be showing you when she's adding peanut butter. So after this now, she said it's supposed to boil for some minutes, and then when tomatoes and onion is done, then she can add peanut butter. Yeah. Oh yes. So guys, I like cooking sadza.
I'm cooking relish. Beautiful.
So I'm cooking sadza, and this cooking biltong. But the rest shomeri.
Hey, chakarota shoma because kamurwa kaka.
Uma mnambrele
one day
I'm
sisina ndaidiro.
Are you sure, Tandy? Aiwa, tori. Kana chifungo chishoma tori
Ngokusazira kwanda ke.
Iname sadza ita.
Yes, sadza ita. So now we are now going to add Peanut
butter.
Crazy. Here's our peanut butter we have to buy.
Peanut butter. Mbotangwa tarisa apa tabana place padara kamsoro kunze kunze.
Okay. So you can either put your peanut butter in water,
Okay.
mix it in forum cup,
Oh,
or you
right.
can just put like this.
Oh, okay.
That's fine. Chatongo now is to melt.
Oh, okay.
Water.
Oh. I don't know. Thank you. Which one should be number?
I think just like that.
This of A. This it.
Oh, so guys, we are finally done cooking.
Yes.
Yeah, because the biltong takes time to boil. You know, Now, finally. Wow.
So tired.
Yes.
When you are you still talking?
No, I'm
So I remember when we were still girls. I don't know, guys, from your family or from your culture, if you are cooking sadza, for those who cook sadza here in Zimbabwe, our moms, if you spoil the pot when you are cooking, hey, that's a sadza. And you mix sadza and then there will be sadza everywhere.
yeah.
Hey, it will be nonsense. Or you are cooking and then you are doing like this. What nonsense was
Why?
that?
Why?
So yeah.
But they taught us well.
Yeah, they taught us well.
We were so grateful.
So guys, we are done cooking supper.
Finally
On
done.
fire.
I can't wait to fill
serve up
this
and
stomach
eat.
up.
Yes.
Because you,
We are hungry
what
now.
a day.
We are hungry.
So just gonna boil
A little bit.
a little bit, then we're done.
So guys, let's go in and eat. Let's go in and eat, okay? So, we're switching off the fire now.
I can't get yam.
Tenderera.
Ah, this the cookers.
Yeah.
Magona.
I thought.
Koka nakanyorwa so zvinorevei.
So chikafu chatabikirwa nemienzi chaibva. Now, sadza chimkuyu chine doi. Tangirunya. This is not just sadza. This is food. Good food.